Hi, I'm Joe Oliver. I'm a clinical psychologist and ACT therapist. Today I'm going to talk about committed action, a process from acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT. It's the engine that drives us towards a life aligned with our values, even when things get tough. In ACT, values are like our compass, guiding us in the right direction. Committed action is a step we take to move in that direction. And it's about choosing to act with alignment to what matters most to us, even if it feels like uncomfortable or challenging. Committed action is not always about doing something more. Sometimes it's about stopping a behavior that's not serving us. And it could be refraining from, say, criticizing a loved one, or resisting the urge to self-harm, or choosing to turn off the TV and go to bed early. To take committed action, we need to develop all of the ACT skills: mindfulness, acceptance, diffusion, values clarification, and we harness them in tandem. These skills help us connect with what's important in the moment and navigate any internal obstacles that might stand in our way. You can maybe think of it like this. Imagine driving a car and your values are the direction and destination you want to get to. And committed action is like the act of driving towards it. Mindfulness, acceptance, and diffusion are all like the skills you need to stay on track, to navigate traffic or handle unexpected detours. To give a practical example, imagine I was a parent who struggled with social anxiety, and I had a value of being a supportive and engaged parent for my kids. And a birthday party comes up where I know there's going to be a lot of parents there, and my anxiety at the prospect of talking to everyone starts to go up. Although the urge to just drop off the kids at the party arises, to avoid any anxiety, I want to engage my values, and I want to be supportive to my kids. So I decide to take two committed actions. First, I'm going to attend the party. Second, I'm going to be kind to myself because I know this is a really big deal for me. I'll hold my anxiety with openness and be aware of the thoughts and stories about people judging me, and I'll hold them lightly. And in this way, all these skills support me in taking this committed action, which is about going to support my kids at this party. So committed action also requires willingness. It's about embracing uncertainty that comes along with taking a step into the unknown. We can't guarantee the outcome, but what we can do is choose to be present and open to whatever unfolds. When we engage in committed action, it's like we discover the power of internal reinforcement. We get this sort of sense of purpose and autonomy and resilience as we move towards our values, even when things are getting tough. Committed action, therefore, is a really powerful tool for creating this life that aligns with what matters to us most. And it's about taking those small, consistent steps, even when things are difficult, and discovering the strength and resilience that therefore lies within us. So I hope that's been useful in some way, and as always, feel free to get in contact with me if you have any questions or queries.